Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce Maggi at home. Heat a small pan and melt butter, then add flour and cook briefly to form a roux. Whisk in cold milk a little at a time to prevent lumps, then simmer until thick and smooth. Stir in cooked Maggi noodles, season with salt, pepper, and optional cheese, and serve warm for a creamy quick meal. Gather simple pantry items to make the recipe fast and satisfying. Measure butter, flour, and milk precisely for a smooth bechamel base and have cooked Maggi noodles ready. Grate cheese and set out seasonings like salt and black pepper, plus any optional add-ins you enjoy such as peas or cooked chicken. Having everything prepped makes the finish quick, keeping the sauce silky and properly seasoned for the noodles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth because its clear advice helped me prioritize freedom, and it pairs oddly well with saving time on meals. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want it, and if that made you smile, now let's get back to the video. Start by clearing your workspace and heating a medium pan on low to medium heat for control. Melt butter, add flour, and stir constantly until it smells slightly nutty while staying pale. Slowly pour in cold milk while whisking to prevent lumps and simmer until the sauce thickly coats a spoon. Combine with drained Maggi noodles, fold in grated cheese, taste for seasoning, and garnish with herbs for a cozy, creamy bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.